Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 9 ways to make money on Selar. My name is Awajima Isioto, and if you are our regular visitor, you know that I always teach you how to do stuffs online and how you can do things that can help you make money and grow your business. If this is your first time of coming on this channel, I want to say I'm very excited to have you, and I want to say welcome to this channel. All right, so I'll take you into my Selar and show you 9 ways to make money on Selar. So stick around to the end of this video so that you can learn something valuable from this video. If you haven't subscribed to this video, kindly do me a favor by hitting the like button and subscribing. And when you subscribe, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that when I post out more videos, you will be the first to be notified. All right, I'm going to take you inside my Selar dashboard and show you 9 ways you can make money on Selar. All right, follow me. Selar actually is an online platform where you can actually sell digital products. If you know how to do stuff, you have some knowledge that you want to start selling online, whether it's your knowledge, your skill, or your experience, and you want to sell it as a digital product, Selar is a very good platform for you to start. All right, and you can make tons of money just selling your skill, selling your knowledge, or selling your experience. Now, this is something you should be doing. This is a platform you should be using if you are a teacher, if you are a service person, if you're an artist, if you're a creator, and you just have knowledge that you can share to the world. All right, so this is my dashboard. So I'm going to take you into this area. Okay, I'm going to take you in so you can see the 9 ways you can start making money on this platform. Now just follow me. So you're going to click here. Now before I go in, I need you to know that for you to sign up on this dashboard, for you to sign up to get here, all you need to do is to click on use the link that you see on your screen. Okay, this link that you see on your screen, use this link and then type it in the search area here and just click enter. It's going to take you to a place where you are going to be prompted to sign up. Okay, you'll be asked to sign up. So once you sign up properly, make sure you fill in all your details. If you do that properly, you're going to be taken to this place where you're going to see this dashboard. On your own, you won't have all of this. Okay, what you're seeing now is because I've been making sales here, and this is the last money I remained in the account. Okay, I've been selling on this platform. I have 6 products already on this platform and I've been selling. Okay, so this is the last earning I just made on a $1 product. Okay, on a $1 product. So I make sure that I withdraw my earnings. So this is the last one for a $1 product. Okay, now once you get to this place, now let me take you in here. We come to add products. Now these are the things. Okay, select a product type to proceed. Now one of the ways for you to make money on Selar is to sell a physical product. Okay, is to sell a physical product, whether you sell electronics, whether you sell clothing, whether you sell books, appliances, and anything, you can actually sell them as a physical product. All you need to do is to get in here, you click on next and you fill in all the details of the product, and then you can start selling on Selar. The next one is digital products. Sell any kind of digital product, from ebooks to any downloadables, to music, to courses, to downloadable or hosted outside Selar, to any other product you host on an external platform. Now, whether you have ebooks, whether you have pictures, whether you have illustrations, whether you have anything that people can download on their phone, you can come here and sell it as a digital product. Okay, this is the one I use whenever I want to sell online. Whenever I want to sell my ebooks and my courses, this is the one I use. Now another thing you can sell, that's number 2. The next thing you can sell is tickets. Let's say you have an event. Okay, you have an event and you want people to come to the event and you don't want to sell physical tickets. You can actually sell the tickets to your event. You can sell tickets to your workshop or your training or your webinar. All right, all you need to do is to come here and click next. Once you click next, it's going to take you to a form, okay, where you fill all the form and you insert the graphics and everything for your design, okay, for your events, okay, for your tickets. Now, the next one is subscription. If you want people to be paying for a service, instrumentally, or you want them to be paying for something one by one, maybe on monthly basis, you can use this, okay? You can use this option, all right? That is number 4. The next one is service, okay? You can sell your service, whether you're a consultant, you are a coach, and you want to counsel people, or you offer web design services and etc. You can come here and set up your account and start selling your service. Even if you're a graphic designer, this is what you can be using. All you need to do is to come to this test, click on it, okay? Once you click on it, it will give you the options to fill in your details, and that is number 5. Number 6 is courses, okay? You can sell video courses. You can sell video courses with multiple videos or audios. Whether you want to sell video course, let's say for instance, you want to sell cakes, you want to sell a video course about cakes, about how to start cake business, you can come here and upload your video courses. Or if you want to be selling podcasts, okay, you want to sell your course as a podcast, as an audio version, okay, you can put them into multiple modules and sell it here. You can get to upload the files directly to Selar, and there's an option to make video or audio files non-downloadable. So if you don't want people to download it, you can set everything here. Now, the thing about this, okay, the difference between this, now you're seeing Pro here, the difference between this and this one, you can actually upload your courses here also, okay, or your podcast here. But the difference between this and this is that this one is a Pro version, which means you have to make some payments, okay? You have to pay something to get on this plan, okay? It's not free. This is free. This is not free, okay? Now, the difference here is you have more options here. You have more options for this one. Now, let's enter the Pro version. Let's see what it's going to show us. Let's see what it's going to show us. Now you can see, okay, this is a free version, which is the one for the other ones you saw, okay? Now, this is the Pro version. You need to pay like 8,000 naira to get on this Pro version, okay? And this is the turbo version of it. So 8,000, 15,000. Now, this 8,000 is for every month, okay? Now, what do you get on that? You get everything in the starter plan, everything here. That's the meaning of everything in the starter plan. You also get to upload 10 courses and unlimited videos, okay? You can see all of the benefits you're going to be getting under this plan, okay? That's the difference between what I showed you. That's the difference between this one and this one, okay? So it's your option. If anyone you want to take, that is better for you. But if you're starting out, the best one to start with is this one, okay? But if you have some money to spend, you can actually go for this, okay? It has a lot of functions, a lot of benefits for you, okay? That's number 6. Now, the next one is stream online only video or audio. If you want to sell a single video or audio that users can get to watch directly on Selar without downloading, you can do that. You can even make them, give them option to replay. Okay, if you want to use a webinar, you can also do that here, and it is a Pro plan, which means you have to pay. Okay, you have to upgrade to the Pro plan to use this service. Okay, now the next one is membership. Okay, membership. Let's say you want people to subscribe to your membership so that they can, be getting better options. They can be getting better information from you maybe on daily basis or monthly basis, and you want them to pay to get on that service. You can actually use the membership cost. Okay, for instance, you can tell people, okay, for $2 monthly, I'll be teaching you how to do this if you get on my membership class. And then once they click on a link, it takes them to your membership area where they are going to have to pay the money. Okay, where they pay the money. Once they pay the money, it gets them on this platform. And that can be monthly, that can be yearly, that can be daily, depending on how you want to set it. Now, it is on the 2-ball plan, okay, which means it can cost up to 15,000, just like what we saw in the other place, okay. Now, this is flexible subscription. This is the same thing as this, but the difference now is this has more options than this because it is on the pro plan, meaning that you have to upgrade to the pro plan. All right, so this is just 8 of them, okay? 8 of them. Why we say it's 8 of them is because this and this, they are related, okay? You just have to upgrade to the pro plan. Now, the last one, which is 9, okay? The 9th way to make money here is to be an affiliate, okay? Is to be an affiliate on the platform, okay? What that means is that you have to join an affiliate platform, okay? You have to join an affiliate. You have to join the affiliate platform to make money here, okay? You have to join the affiliate platform. When you join the platform, it will give you access, okay? It will give you access to, to different products that you can market. What that means now is you do not have to create any products, okay? You do not have to create any products to sell. All you need to do is just get on the affiliate platform, and then you can now become an affiliate, and then you'll be given the option to recommend other people's products. And once you do that, you can get some commission as high as 50% or 70%, depending on what the merchant is giving you as a commission. All right. Now, if you want to join this, if you want to learn more about how to do this, if you want to learn more, you can go to the link in the description to join my my private mentorship group, okay? For just $2, you can join my private mentorship group. You want to learn everything. You want to learn, you want to be getting tips, okay? You want to be getting tips, you want to get guide, you want to get newsletters, you want to get more information about how you can grow your digital product business. You can go to the link in the description and just check. You're going to see a link that will link you, lead you to where you can, how you can get access to my private mentorship class. And there are other links for other information. Please don't forget to subscribe to this video. If you got value from this video, hit the like button and then subscribe, okay? And when you subscribe, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that when I put out more videos, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you very much for sticking around to this video, to the end of this video. I'll see you in another video. Enjoy.